Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the silver price has moved the last week and how the silver price can move in the next week. See, if you look at this price of silver, what I have told you in my previous video, that there is high chances that the price of silver can break down because there is a pattern forming. If you look at this pattern clearly, a narrow pattern was forming. Okay, if you go and check my previous video, you can check it there, and I've already told you that be on the sell side if this pattern breaks downside, or if it goes breaks the pattern upside, then be on the buy side. So it breaks the downside pattern and made a low of around 25.26 or 25.8. okay, this is the low it has made, and I've already suggested you, if you that if this level is break, then we can see a sharp fall, or if this level is break, we can see there can be chances it can make a new high. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding silver, then you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I've given in the description, and please watch the full video, then you will understand how this is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description, you can join. See, now what we are looking at this pattern, and this was a big opportunity to make good profit. Okay, because this is the pattern, it was created after a very long time. Okay, so there was huge chances, or these kind of pattern when created, these give a good amount of profit, okay, for traders as well as for positional traders, because if we see that this pattern is breaking downside or upside, then we can make a good profit at this particular trades. Okay, so now what you can see here is that if we look at this trend, it was in this particular range. Okay, so till the time it didn't cross a level of 27, okay, and come in this particular range, we are not on the buy side. Okay, suppose if it comes in this particular range, see, this is the particular range, and this is a particular range it was moving, and this is the trend upside. So till the time it didn't cross a level of 27.14, we are on the sell side. Okay, or we are not on the trading zone, no trading zone, because if we look at this trend, we can see there can be there is a sharp rise. But if we are trading intraday, we have to be very cautious that, so if we intraday, then suppose we are on the buy side, and there should be a proper stop loss that has to be maintained, because the trend we can see is in the down, because the trend is up, and this was the range after some times, and it has break downside, so there is a probability that it can go further low. But after making a low of around 25.73, it has bounced back to a level of 26.43. okay, so what we should expect here, suppose if the price of silver moves above a level of 26.66, and this level is already tested here twice, so there is high chances that if it comes close to this level, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 26.80, and if it goes above that level, then we can see a level of 26.98. okay, once this level is touched, then we can see a level of 27.50 also. Okay, so this range moves upside. So see, look at this pattern, we can see that this is the trend. Okay, so till the time it didn't, if it comes and cross a level of 26.68, then we can see our target of 26.90. suppose if it crosses this level, then and stays above this level, then we can see a target of 27.10. once 27.10 is touched, because we have seen that this level is also tested twice, so chances are very high that it can touch a level of 27.42, and once 27.42 is touched, then we can expect a target of 27.66, and once 27.66 is touched, then we can expect a target of 27.86. okay, once 27.86 is touched, then we will be looking for a target of 28. okay, once 28 is touched, then we'll be looking for a target of 28.24, and once 28.24 is touched, because this level is already touched twice, so chances are very high, and this level has become weak, so chances are very high that it can touch a level of 28.50. Once 28.50 is touched, then we can see a level of 28.62, and from there we can see a level of 28.74 also. Okay, so once 28.74 is touched, then there is high probability that it can touch a level of 29.23. okay, from there it can touch a level of 29.83 also, and then 30 also, because we can see that this is the range which was moving from so long. So once this range is break upside, then we'll be looking at target of 30 very soon. Suppose if it goes below, okay, suppose if the price of silver goes below a level of 26.22 again, so there is high chances that it can touch a level of 26 also. And suppose if it goes below that level and touch a level of 25.79, then there is high chances that it can break this level and come to a level of 25.73. once 25.73 is touched, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 25.55, and once 25.55 is touched, then it can touch a level of 25.27. okay, once 25.27 is touched, then we can expect a target of 25.311, and once 25.311 is touched, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 25 also. okay, so once 25 is touched, then we can see that it can touch a level of 24.85, but as of now, till the time it didn't break a level of 25.79, we are on the bullish side. If it breaks this level, then we'll be looking for a target of 25.31 also, and once 25.31 is touched, then we'll be looking for a target of 25, and once 25 is touched, then we'll be looking for a target of 24.57. then we'll be on the selling side. okay, and this level is not tested twice, so there is chances that it can bounce back from this level. okay, so try to book at this profit, or if it goes below that level, and if it bounce back from this level, then you can book the other half. So hope you like the video, and if you wish to check my previous videos where I've told the downside target also, you can check. okay, so if you have any doubt, I have told you that you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I've given in the description. okay, or please join my Telegram also, and if you wish to have any doubt, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe.